Hello everyone. In this tutorial we are going to see how to delete data from table. So the topic that we are just going to cover is we will write query to delete data. Now here we have 2 points. First is deleting only one or two records, and second one is deleting complete data from table. So let's get back to the MySQL administrative tool. Here, before deleting the table or table data, why not we see the complete set of data? So we are going to use select star from table 1 because our table name over which we were just performing action was table 1. So execute it. Here we can see that there are 4 entries into the table. Now the query that we are just going to write here is to delete one set of record. So here we will write delete from table name, that is table 1, where always remember that whenever we are just deleting data from table, we should always try to use some conditional statement and where clause provide that facility. So where clause is going to facilitate us to provide condition over which we are going to delete the data. So here we are just going to write delete from table name, that is table 1, where let's take name equal to string 4. Use semicolon at the end, select the query and execute it. Here we can see that successfully query has been executed. Now again go and run select star from table 1, and here we can see that the record that was associated with name equal to string 4 has been removed from the table. So this was one way to remove a single record. But what if we are just trying to delete the complete table data? In that case we will write query delete star from table 1. This is one way of deleting complete set of data, or delete from table 1. So these two query can be used for a single purpose. So for time being I'm just going to use delete from table 1, and here we can see that one query has been executed, means all data has been deleted. Now let's check the description of this table 1. Here we can see that schema is intact with this table. It means only data has been removed. In next tutorial we will see how to delete a table using drop